Learning and Extension, that is DLLE, was established on October 12, 1978 and has been recognized as the statutory department of the University of Mumbai. It promotes a meaningful and a sustained rapport between the universities and the community. We, the DLLE family of SM Shetty College, would like to take you through the department's academic year 2019-20. DLLE was introduced in our college in the year 2010 and has been growing ever since. Today, we are a huge family of 270 members.
Devika Chibbar of SYBSC IT was selected as the DLLE representative. Being an academic topper of the IT department, she is a multitasker indeed. First term training program at university level was held on Monday, 29th of June 2019 at Band Sangas Anna Leela College, Kurla. Professor Rachiti Pavaskar and Mr. Vishal Fernando had attended the same.
The DLLE orientation program was held on Tuesday, 27th August 2019. Professor Sujata Rizal Potian guided the students about the motive of DLLE and its activities. The introduction of all the newly elected cabinet members, that is the student manager, was done as well. The first term training program at the college level was held on Wednesday, 18 September 2019 at our college premises. Our University field coordinator, Professor Krishna Shukla, thoroughly explained the department motive and expectations for further prospects to all the members.
Reach to the unreached is the motto that has been followed by the departments across 235 colleges in Maharashtra. DLLE is among the top 500 universities in the world. Status of Women in Society (SWS) is one such project that gives the students a clear understanding about the problems that women face across several aspects in several age groups. The students are also expected to try their level best to help them to solve their issues. DLLE members volunteered for the Swami Vivekanand Run for a Cause, organized by the Bharat Vikas Parishad on Sunday, 22nd September 2019 near the Heritage Garden, Powai. They helped the organizing committee to maintain the flow of the event. Medals, certificates along with refreshments were given to all the members.
The DLLE March Past Troupe bagged the runners-up title at the college annual sports meet held at Naval Dockyard, Kanchurmarg. 32 members marched in unison and style, with Ms. Devika Chibbar leading the troop and Shubham Durgavali as the flag bearer.
The second term training program at university level was held on Monday, 23rd December 2019 at KJ Somaya Medical College, Sion, and was attended by Ms. Riti Makwana. Mohammed from TYBCom was honored with the DLLE's Best Member Trophy for her amazing contribution to the department for the last 3 years. She has been extremely supportive and has guided many students with ease. On behalf of the department, we would like to thank you for sticking with us.
Mr. Vishal Fernando from TYBSC IT was honored with the DLLE's Best Member Male Award. As the chairman of DLLE, he has truly been the pillar of the department and has taken DLLE to greater heights by his sheer determination. Thank you, Vishal, for working with all your heart for us. Annual Extension Work Festival of DLLE Udan, organized by the University of Mumbai, was held on 25th January 2020 at PK Krishna Menon College, Bangalore. Just like previous year, this year, not just one, but two members were selected. Prapti Shetty from DYBMM and Divya Shah from SYBMM are appreciated for representing a college at university level as anchors.
We would like to appreciate the efforts of the street play students and Kalamans in Theatre Club family for putting up a witty yet informative skit in the street play competition. We would also like to appreciate Mr. Saurabh Chanda from MCOM Part 1 and Mr. Ashir Mikhail from SYBSc IT for helping each other in creating a beautiful poster for the poster making competition.
The second term training program at college level was held on Thursday, 13th of February 2020, solely for the cabinet members. Professor Krishna Shukla took the updates from them and explained them the further procedure to be undertaken.
Valentine's Day was celebrated in a unique way by giving a rose to each and every non-teaching staff of our college. They were thanked and appreciated for being the unsung heroes for working for endless hours to keep us comfortable. Annapurna Yojana APY was selected by most of the department members. The sole purpose was to instill entrepreneurial skills in them. DLLE's Food Carnival was the platform that gave them a lot of skills and learning experience. From September 2019, mini food stalls were kept during the weekends, while the Mega Carnival was held on 17th and 18th February on the 7th floor open space, and it was witnessed by everyone grabbing their favorite food item. If the members complete the projects by keeping the university guidelines in mind, they get a benefit of 10 marks in their NSEMs.
The DLLE members had attended an interactive session by Honorable Minister Shri Sharad Pawar on 23rd February 2020 at Bharatiya Krida Mandir Stadium, Vadala. NAC Attack 20 was one of the most successful events organized by DLLE, where over 100 students and teachers sent in their talents and newly acquired skills which they acquired in the lockdown. All the talents were shared on our official Instagram account SM Shetty DLLE. Under this series, 2 competitions were organized online: poetry writing competition and poetry. Hearty congratulations to all the winners and a big thank you to all those who sent in their talents to NAC Attack 20 and made the series unique and wonderful. Thank you to all the seniors for being extremely instrumental in our college life and giving us wonderful memories. The pandemic snatched away our farewell, but the alumni get together awaits you all. We love you and will definitely miss you. With this, we come to the end of all the activities held by DLLE. On behalf of the entire DLLE cabinet, I would like to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this blissful journey. And here's hoping that every one of you will join the DLLE family and create insane memories in the next academic year.